Ever thought a sneeze could actually break a bone? Believe it or not, sneezing too hard can cause rib fractures, especially in older adults or those with brittle bones. When you sneeze, your chest muscles contract at high speed, sometimes over 100 miles per hour. That sudden pressure puts stress on your ribs and in rare cases, crack. It's more common if you have osteoporosis or if your ribs are already weakened. So next time you feel a big sneeze coming, let it out naturally, but maybe not with superhero force. Your ribs will thank you.